Hi guys, this week I'm back at the mysterious Terry's shop. I'm going to be making a Travisher blade today. A Travisher is kind of like a curved spoke shave that you push. It's a bit of a funny tool, but it's used for chair seats, so I'm going to make one. And I as well found out yesterday when I was forging at another gentleman's shop that I need a smaller rounding hammer, so I'm going to forge one of those. Let's have some fun. I've established a nice clean bevel. It's all one single radius. So now I'm going to switch up grits, move up to 60, 80, 120, and maybe even 220 before we get on to bending it. That's perfect. That's exactly what that's supposed to look like. We're all done with hammers for today. The hammer we forged looks really awesome. I'm really happy we did it. Next we're getting ready to bend the Travisher blade to the form. I got it right here, ground up on the 2x72 grinder to shape, and now we're just going to heat it up, bend it around to form, and hopefully all goes well. So that didn't work. As we went to go and bend the Travisher blade around the form, it started to lay over onto the bevel instead of staying flat on the spine, which meant that it's twisted. It's probably just going to go into the bucket of learning, because to try and straighten that back out will take forever. So I'm going to go over there, cut a piece of steel, and try again. Alright. That was about as fast as I could have possibly knocked out the Travisher blade. Looks really good. So let's try that again.
Got a heat already, man. Let's roll to the front. Twist my end back towards me a little bit. Yep, okay. Bring it back. Here's the buckle.
That actually worked. I think it turned out nice and straight. We'll get it off the form once it's cooled down and see what it looks like. So it's the end of the day here at the shop. We knocked out a beautiful 2.5 pound rounding hammer. Thank you to Alec Steele for showing me how to make these when I went over and visited him in England. Link to his channel in the description. We also knocked out a Travisher blade. Turned out perfect. Nice and straight second time around. I learned a lot doing that, and hopefully I'll be able to make more stuff like that in the near future. Thanks for watching, and I'll have another video out soon.